LEMFO LEM5. OS Android 5.1. RAM 1 GB plus 8 GB in flash. Bluetooth, GPS, Wi-Fi supported. Display moving to light it. Display 400 by 400 in resolution. As many as 50 styles of clock mode. IP55 Life waterproof. The rest free using memory is about 6 GB. Circular interface. 1.39-inch round face IPS OLED. Display 400 x 400 in resolution. Language, English, French, Italian, Russian, Turkish, German, Spanish, so on. Stay on the map. When running, driving, biking. Heart rate monitor. Infrared body sensors. 450 mAh capacity battery. Talk time, 3.5 hour by 2 grams, 2 hour by 3 grams, standby. Time, 100 hour. Pedometer. EMS can record steps, calories and distance. Leather band. Band length, 80 mm plus 130 mm equals 210. Bandwidth, 21 mm. Support all kinds of app. Check the description below for price and details.